Okay, hey guys, Logan Williamson here, representing Williamson Professional Real Estate Sales. Thank you for stopping back by the channel. Hey, by popular demand, again, we're doing another new build tour. Today we are out at the Toll Brothers community, Catalina at Stonebrook. We're going to be going through the Campo model, which is their most popular model out here. And you know, as you guys already know, you know the drill at this point. If you have not already subscribed, liked, and commented, please do so. It helps us reach way more people. I want to make sure that if you guys are interested in anything Reno real estate related, you guys are reaching out to me. I'm working with clients from all over the world. I absolutely love it. Who you work with matters. It is an absolutely brutal market up here, but if you're considering new construction, you're going to want to check out this particular video. I'm going to do a walkthrough of the Campo model with you. Now, keep in mind with these Toll Brothers communities, your build out time is anywhere, what they're quoting is 10 to 14 months. Out here at this particular community, Catalina at Stonebrook out in Spanish Springs, you're looking at a preferred buyers list of just over 30 to 40 people, meaning that you're going to be in a lottery of 30 or 40 people, assuming that you do want to actually put a down payment on one of these upcoming lots that are actually becoming available. Looks like they're doing 2 over the course of the next couple months. You will have to get pre-qualified by their in-house lender, TBI Mortgage, and then from there, you know, you can use a different lender, but I certainly recommend that you use a real estate agent such as myself as a third party, a non-bias, bias in your favor, representative. My services to you as your buyer's agent are going to be free of charge, and I will certainly help you navigate through the Toll Brothers contracts. Now, this particular model that we're going to walk through here, the Campo model, is delivered just over 2,500 square feet. This can be delivered as a 4-bedroom or a 5-bedroom. If you do go with the 5-bedroom option, you actually lose the loft upstairs, which is something that I'll show you guys once we actually get in here and take a look. One of the cool features about this Campo model is that you can extend the garage out an additional 6 feet. So if you've got a long truck, you know, if you've got any sort of toys or anything that you want to park inside the garage, this is certainly going to be something that can be accommodated with the Campo model. What we're looking at here is the Spanish Colonial. The base price is just over $521,000. What I can tell you with this particular model, the Campo, is that these are closing anywhere between $600,000 or $700,000, and the lot premiums can go up to roughly $75K if you do find yourself in a cul-de-sac or on a lot that is going to have these nice expansive views like you see of some of the mountains here, you know, behind me. So there are quite a few models in this community. They actually offer 5 different models as opposed to the 3 that we see in a lot of the Toll Brothers communities. But that being said, we're going to go check out the Campo. Let's go take a walk through. I forgot to mention, one of the things that you're going to notice about this model is the sales office for these model homes is actually located in the garage of this particular model. So keep in mind, it's a 3-car garage. Again, you can extend that out 6 feet, but I'm not going to give you a tour of the sales office. Just keep in mind that that is the garage, and then we're going to actually do a walkthrough of the model home. Now, chatting with clients from all over the country, all over the world that are interested in relocating up here to Reno. If you guys need any information related to Reno real estate, anything regarding recommendations for restaurants, hotels, if you're going to come stay up here and you're going to do some due diligence, I'd love to meet with you. I'd love to speak with you. It all starts with a phone call, and it is never too early to reach out. Please send me a text message or an email. Give me a phone call if you're interested in Reno real estate. I'm a local real estate agent up here in Reno, and I want to talk to you. Let's go do a quick walk through the Campo. All right, hey, well that's that. That was the Campo model out Catalina at Stonebrook, out here in Spanish Springs. This is a great Toll Brothers community. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can send me an email, send me a text message, give me a call, whatever you need to do. And please make sure you like this video. It helps us reach way more people. Comment on the video. Let me know what you want to see next. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And make sure that if you're interested in learning more about Reno real estate, you contact me. I work with all the Toll Brothers communities around town, and I'd love to help you get into a new build if that's something you're considering. Stick around, watch anything that you see that's on this screen. These are exactly the videos that you need to see next. Thanks for stopping by, and I will talk to you soon.